Hey people, so there is this show on Netflix called The Real Detective, and oh my God, for those of y'all who like watching crime investigation specials, this is something you have to watch. Simply since it's a dramatization of that event, along with the detective who was the detective or the police officer who was in charge of that case. He's giving they keep showing us clips of his what that detective or that police officer has to say about the case. But what I find unique about all these criminal investigation programs is it gives you an insight into different how human beings respond in different environments and to different situations, so if you want to study human nature and because they say, right, history repeats itself. So I mean, if you understand human nature in all its different facets, it makes life so much easier. Like, as in this show has helped me realize that even the most hardened criminal, at the end of the day, they have a soft side to them, and that is seen, that comes through at some point. So do try and catch it, people. It's called The Real Detective, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And it's just still a 1 minute video, like it's crossed 1 minute, but I'm happy. So thanks for watching, people.